How to create folders based on Excel data with the help of VBScript. For example, I want to create folders to the employees with their name. It's more than 100, so it will take time to create all. So, with the help of VBScript, we can create all of them with a single click. First of all, we need to enable the developer option in the Excel. For that, go to File menu, then click on Options, and select Customize ribbon, then enable the developer option. Now, we enabled the developer option in the Excel. Go to the developer menu and click on Visual Basic. Go to the Insert menu from the VB application, and click on the module, to add a new module. Enter the scripts in the module code window. Save the VBScript. Now, we can check the script is working or not. For that, select some range from the Excel sheet and click Run on the VB application. If the script is correct, the folders will create based on the data range you selected earlier. The script is working properly. So, I am going to create all the folders. I selected all the data range and run the script. All the folders are created within seconds. You can save the Excel file and use later with different datas as well.